Meaning of flesh wound.
Flesh wound.
Flesh wound.
Flesh wound.
Flesh wound. The term flesh wound is often used to describe a superficial injury that does not penetrate deep into the body. It usually involves only the surface layers of the skin and underlying tissue, and may result from a variety of causes such as cuts, scrapes, or bruises. While such injuries may be painful and require treatment, they generally do not pose a serious threat to a person's health or life. However, if left untreated, a flesh wound may become infected and lead to more serious complications.